Hey guys, Martin here. Welcome back to the channel. This is another sort of unboxing review. This time it's not a set of headphones. As you can see, I've still got my fantastic Conquest Pro headphones attached to my headset, which I think now makes the headset just amazing. The head strap's so comfortable. The headphones are perfect, great sound, great 3D audio coming out of them. But today we are having a look at the Zyber VR sort of carry case. Sorry, it's a bit, hold on, I'll adjust. There we go. So it's a hard shell carry case. Let me see if I can adjust this a wee bit better. Hold on, maybe I have a lay this over here. Tilt a tad. There we go. We got zips here. We got a snap on here. And two strap attachments at the bottom. We've got a handle here. Let's have a look inside. All the way at the bottom on both sides. So hold on. Oh, okay, let's do this with my hand just now, I suppose. So once we've undone it, it opens up, and we have inside pocket there. Here we are. This is the info. Zyber VR functional sling bag, which is just goes over your shoulder. Here is your instructions. Let's have a wee look what we have. What we got? We have iPad to go over your lenses, or should I say lens cover. And we have the shoulder strap. No, sorry, a bit close there. Nice material, spongy underneath. Not sure if you can hear that. It's got that kind of new material smell. And then we have, what do we have? What else we got in here? Looks like a velvet, kind of like a furry attachment. It's velcroed. And we have a strap there. This comes off. This little inner pouch thing here. As you can see, I'll just get light there. Zyber VR. There we are. So I think the headset just pops in there, and then we fold her over. Oh, rub it. Bit scratched there, but that's just because I've been messing about on the table with it. So yeah, let's see. Let me get this attached back here. Okay, so we have reattached the camera. Alright, one's right away there. I've got the wrong side. Okay, let's see. One strap. 2 seconds. I will figure out what to do here. Okay, let me see where you are. This clip goes in there, like that. We'll zip her up so she's up. Please excuse me while we're off camera doing this. There we go, this are closed. And here we go, we have. So we can either hover to the left side or to the right side, depending on which side you want. That we will clip onto the left side, just there we go, and then we just tighten it up, and then there we are. We have it. Controller getting in the way. Okay. So yeah, it's quite a nice little carry case. I suppose it doesn't have to be used for your Quest. I've just realised that's, if you can see, it's quite dark. But here is a power bank slot, so you can, well, charge stuff as you go. So yeah, it looks nice, and I must say it feels quite comfortable. Yeah, not bad. Massive thank you to Zyber VR for letting me stand up and have a wee look at it. So this is the overall. There's the strap to the side. Turn around. As you can see, it's quite got the hard shell. So I just need to flatten out my headset and then tuck it in. So I'll do that for the next video. Okay, thanks for watching. Hey, welcome back. This is they're all packed up. As you can see, it's all nice and packed up into the machine. The machine's all nicely packed up into the bag. So we'll just unzip her and let you see what it looks like inside the case. There we go. Fits super snug inside. And inside here we had the controllers and my cable for my headphones, which I tucked. As you bend back the thing, you just tuck the tops of all headphones on the inside of the headset. So there we go. And then, as you can see, you just pull your headset out, and then I'm taking my audio cable out. And all I just need to do is set up the headphones. Controllers fit in there nicely too. And here is the charge cable for, I would say that's a USB-C. So you can charge your headset in the bag through this little gap here. So you just plug it in there. There's a wee fitting for it just in here. You just plug all that together, and then boom, plug all that together. You can charge your headset while it's just sat in the bag waiting for you to use, and then take it out, get on with it, put it away, and then off you go. Away from wherever you go, like college, your friends, anywhere. So yeah, huge thank you to Zuber VR for letting me have a look at your carry case. I like this protective cover, it's nice. Yeah, massive thanks. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.